worldwide. Make that your home. Let's get this thing jumping. Hold up. 3, 2, 1, let's go now. When I pull up to the party, jumping. And they keep twerking, jumping. Too late, I can't stop jumping. Go, go, and go, jumping. Girl, that girl get jumping. Got it all, got all my jumping. Got it all, got all my jumping. A little bit of jumping, party jumping. Pack it up, pack it in. I came to sing it. If she's with me, then you know she's a 10. I quarterback stack, I'm billion stack. I'm 8 up on the pocket game over rack. Don't get up, stand up, come on, get your hands up. I was raised by loser, gonna raise the roof. I stay clean like a fresh triple beam, and in '93 it was all a dream. Crash is dope, talking, pass me a roll, me a phone cake. She got it like a 7-track bump, and she don't make it try, she make it jump. Hold it up. 3, 2, 1, let's go now. When I pull up to the party, jumping. And they keep twerking, jumping. Too late, I can't stop jumping. Go, go, and go, jumping. Girl, that girl get jumping. Got it all, got all my jumping. Got it all, got all my jumping. A little bit of jumping, party jumping. Ladies shake and something, shake and booty something. 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 IG click, then you know I don't trust it. This shit click, then you know I'll bust it. I came to get down, we came to get down. Now throw your hands up and jump around. Hold up. 3, 2, 1, let's go now. When I pull up to the party, jumping. And they keep twerking, jumping. Too late, I can't stop jumping. Go, go, and go, jumping. Girl, that girl get jumping. Got it all, got all my jumping. Got it all, got all my jumping. A little bit of jumping, party jumping. Jump, 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 jump. Hold up. Jump, 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 jump. A little bit of jumping, party jumping. Jump, 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 jump. Hold up. Jump, 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 jump. A little bit of jumping, party jumping.
Let's learn party jumping. It's choreographed by Trevor, Thornton, and Zahorsky. It is a 32 count, 4-wall beginner level line dance with 3 tags. The first tag happens before you start wall 1 to start the dance. The next one's going to happen on wall 3, and the final one will happen on wall 6, all after 16 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tags, and then we're going to go around and dance 7 walls of the dance so that you know how it all flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn party jumping. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to hop forward, right, left. So we're going to hop forward, right, left, and you're going to hold. We're now going to hop back, right, left, and you're going to hold. We're now going to do that quickly. So we're going to hop forward, right, left, hop back, right, left, hop forward, right, left, hop back, right, left. And when you hop forward, you can slightly lean back, and when you hop back, you can slightly lean forward. So let's try it with some counts. Weights on your left, you're hopping forward, and 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Weight is on your left foot to end that section. Section 2, we're going to do step, lock, and triples. We're going to step our right foot forward into the right diagonal. Bring your left foot in and behind your right, and then we're going to triple forward, step right forward, left together, right forward. We're now going to repeat that to the left. Step your left foot forward into the left diagonal. Bring your right foot in and behind your left, and then do a triple forward with your left together, right, left, forward. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your left foot, step, lock, and triple. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do 2 quarter turning jazz boxes. So we're going to cross our right over our left, step back with your left, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping slightly forward with your right, and then step your left next to your right. You're now at 3 o'clock. We're going to do another quarter turning jazz box, crossing our right over our left, step back with your left, make that quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot slightly forward, and then step your left next to your right, taking weight onto that left foot. So let's try it with some counts. Weights on your left foot, you're doing your jazz box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. You're going to do a big step into the right diagonal, and you're going to touch your left next to your right. You're going to angle your body to 430. We're now going to raise the roof, so you're going to put both hands up over your head, and you're going to pump them up, up, up. And if you would like to shake, or Trevor likes to kind of put his knees out and make it a little funky, have some fun with it. From here, we're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder as we step our left foot forward and touch your right next to your left, and then you're going to raise the roof again, up, up, and do whatever you like, and you'll be facing 9 o'clock, ready to start the dance all over again. So let's try that last part. When you angle your body, try not to really angle it into the diagonal. You want to be just slightly off-centered. So instead of facing exactly 6 o'clock, think that you're facing about 5:30. So just slightly in between the diagonal and your 6 o'clock wall. So let's try it with some counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do a 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. We're hopping forward, right, left. So it's hop forward, hold, hop back, hold now quick, hop forward, hop back, hop forward, hop back, right step, lock and triple, left step, lock and triple, jazz box, quarter turn, jazz box, quarter turn. Now big step with the right, raise the roof, whoop, whoop, quarter turn, and raise the roof. And that is the whole dance. So now let's do it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your hops forward and back with your holds. And 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the tag. The first time we do the tag, you will be facing the front wall, and you're going to do it before you start any rotations of the dance. So let's talk about the tag. Weight will be on your left foot. You're going to stomp your right foot to the right side, but you don't want to take weight on it. So we're stepping that right foot to the right side, and your right hand's coming out. You're now going to raise your arm up over 5 counts. So this is 1. Now you're going to raise it up for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you're going to stomp right, stomp left, and do 2 step half pivot, step right, half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot. You're now at 6 o'clock, step forward to the right, do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to return to 12 o'clock. And then you would start the dance over. When we do the tags on all the other walls, when we do it, the 16 counts, you'll then restart after your tag, and it will become the next wall when you complete that tag. So now, let's practice that tag with some counts. So we're stomping our right foot to the side. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we would go into the dance, and 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4. Okay, so now you do it on wall 1. You will dance 32 counts of wall 1. You'll go to the next wall. You'll dance 32 counts of wall 2. When we get to the back wall, you're only going to dance 16 counts and then add on your tag. So let's dance 16 counts of the dance. You're starting with your hops forward and back. We're hopping forward, right, left. Hold, hop, back, and hold. Hop, forward, hop, back, hop, forward, hop, back. Now you're doing your step, lock, and triple with the right. Step, lock, and triple. Step, lock, and triple. Now right here, you're going to do your tag. So we're going to stomp that right to the right side and start with your hand. So you're going to stomp, bring your hand slowly up to the top. Then you're going to stomp right and left, stomp right, stomp left, do 2 half pivots, step, half pivot, step, half pivot. This now becomes wall 4 because you are starting the dance over from the beginning. So you'll dance wall 4, wall 5, and then wall 6 will be our front wall or our 12 o'clock facing wall. And you'll do that same exact 16 counts, tag, and then start the dance over again. After that, you don't have to worry about anything. So let's go around and dance 7 walls of the dance. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. We're going to start with our first tag. So tag is stomp, bring your arm up, 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 up. Now stomp right, left, step, half pivot, hop forward, hold, hop back, hold, hop forward, hop back, hop forward, hop back. Right step, lock and triple, left step, lock and triple, jazz box, quarter turn, jazz box, quarter turn. Now big step and raise the roof, whoop, quarter turn to the right, raise the roof, start over, and 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to do 16 counts and then our tag. Hop forward, hold, hop back, hold, hop forward, hop back, hop forward, hop back. Step, lock and triple. Step, lock and triple. Do your tag. It's stomp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stomp. 7, 8. Half pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Start over. Hop forward. Hold. Hop back. Hold. Hop forward. Hop back. Hop forward. Hop back. Step, lock and triple. Step, lock and triple. Jazz box, quarter turn. Jazz box, quarter turn. Now your big step with your raise your roof. Raise it up. Quarter turn to the right, raise your roof. Now you're doing your and 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 16 counts and then your tag. Hop forward, hold, hop back, hold, hop forward, hop back, hop forward, hop back. Step, lock and triple. Step, lock and triple. Now do your tag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stomp. 7, 8. Half pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hop forward, hop forward. Hold, hop back. Hold, hop forward, hop back, hop forward, hop back. Step, lock and triple. Step, lock and triple. Jazz box, quarter turn. Jazz box, quarter turn. Now your big step and raise the roof. Whoop, whoop, quarter turn and raise the roof. And that is the whole dance. I hope this helps you learn party jumping. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.